guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Grace. I just wanted to hop on here and share with you something that I received a while back ago. It's been a long time since I've been on and uploaded a video, which I do apologize, and I hope to get better at posting videos. I've just had so much stuff going on between kids, dance, gymnastics, baseball, school, work, everything, you know, life just gets in the way sometimes. But I'm back. So, hey guys, to all my current followers, and hello to all the new people. But let's go ahead and get started. I received this package. I kind of have an idea what it is. I have been expecting this for the longest time. I wanted to open it up a while back ago, but I didn't. But now that it is fall time, I think fall, the first day of fall was like 2 days ago. I'm in Houston, Texas, so the weather was amazing yesterday, and I think this will be the perfect fall piece wearing for fall. So here it is right here. Box seems to be pretty damaged. Like I said, I will be sharing all the information in the description box below. And if you want to know more about link or product information, you can message me on my Instagram, which I will have in the description box below. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and open this package up. Yeah, so the box is pretty damaged. Here's the box here. Can you guys guess what it is? Comment in the description below if you can guess what it is. So it does have bubble wrap, but it did not protect. Hopefully it protected what's inside of it. So it did protect. Oh, the box is so pretty. So the box is damaged. But let's go ahead and open it up. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys. There is the bag. Can you see that? Okay. So excited, you don't even know. Okay, smells like leather, so that's a good sign. So it comes in a plastic protecting me dust bag right here. It says Dior with the little swan print right here. You can see that. Pull string. Oh my gosh, you guys. My heart just dropped. I'm so excited. Okay. She is beautiful. It's got the detailing on the sides with the initials of Christian Dior. here. I did get the grainy detailed bag, which is like that. It has the gold detail right here on the side. It has the magnetic close. Soft. Excuse my water. And then it comes with the guitar strap. On this side, it's the beige side, and then that's the other side. Perfect for fall, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and take these off. So pretty. You can wear it, you can use it as just a strap or with the oh, so cute, you guys. Look at that. You can use it like that. Let's take this strap off. They put this on here just to keep it from scratching with the transport. She is, you guys. My new fall bag. This bag right here. So here's the inside. This bag is so cute. So there's the front. Side. The back. Other side. And then the back has a pocket right here. You can probably put your phone. Here's the inside. And it has a zipper. And your date code. And the zipper works really well. Here is the strap right here. It's on the strap. And the little clasp right here, it does say Dior. Not sure if you can see that. Right here. And then here is it's really well made. It's really thick. And on the back of here, it says made in Italy. Here's the back of the side. So here it's called the Saddle Bag Black Grained Calfskin. I love the pocket. So this one retails for $3,800. Details on this, it has the magnetic closure. It has the CD signature strap on both sides, which is so beautiful. It has the interior pocket. It has the back pocket, which I just mentioned. And it comes with the dust bag. So the measurements on this one, 5 by 25.5 by 20 by 6.5 by 10 by 8 by 3 inches. So that's correct. So that's the dimensions, the exact dimensions that I have. The actual Dior website, which is what I'm on. And then you can choose your strap, which is optional. Yeah, it's the Blue Christian Dior embroidered. I guess I can blow it up. I don't know why it's not right here. And it's showing it's $1,200 just for the strap. And the bag itself looks identical to the one that I just purchased. I'm hoping that light is not blurring on there. Yeah, it looks super cute. I'm obsessed with it. That's cute. That is so cute. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Oh, that's so cute, you guys. What? Oh, I'm so obsessed. Look at that. Oh, I love. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, well, that's it. I just wanted to hop on here and share this beautiful bag with you guys. If you have any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell if you like videos like this. Comment down below if you have any questions, but that's it, you guys. I don't know. I hope everyone's doing great. This will be my new fall bag, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Love you guys.